Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Sustainable Happiness Week 7, Assignment 7. So the first question is on and dash level. Sustainable happiness is about finding ways to sustain our happiness beyond the short-term high. So these are the options: higher, lower, outer, inner. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first. On an inner level, it is about finding ways to sustain our happiness beyond the short term high. So, the answer of our first question is D, inner. Now, the second question is hedonic well being comes with the built in limitation of dash. So, these are the options: sadness, hedonic cycle, hedonic treadmill, none of the above. So, let's check the answer of our second question. So, question second, this is the form of happiness which is about fun and the feel good factor, but it comes with a built in limitation, the hedonic treadmill. So, the answer of our second question is C. Now, the third question is in the HDLB approach by Kasser 2017, B stands for dash. So, these are the options: being, becoming, behaving, battling. So, let's check the answer of our third question. So, question third, the HDLB having, doing, loving, being, Kasser 2017. So the answer of our third question is A. Now the fourth question is capitalism is based on the dogma that dash. So these are the options. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. Question fourth, capitalism is based on the dogma that people cannot and must not ever be satisfied. So the answer of our fourth question is A. Now let's go to our fifth question. Does well-being refer to how people think and feel about their situations? So these are the options: material, social, subjective, relational. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, subjective well-being refer to how people think and feel about their situations. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is currently there is no country that completely meets the basic needs of its population while also using sustainable level of resources. True or false? So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question 6, currently there is no country that meets the basic needs of its population. So the answer of our sixth question is A. Now the seventh question is a sustainable blue economy faces the challenge of dash. So these are the options: global warming, ocean acidification, lack of knowledge about ocean, all of the above. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, a sustainable blue economy faces various challenges in the form of global warming, ocean acidification, and lack of knowledge about the ocean. So the answer of our seventh question is D. Now the eighth question is dash is the loss of needed human resources resulting in reduction of the highly skilled labor force. So these are the options: brain fog, migration, immigration, brain drain. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, brain drain is the loss of needed human resources resulting in reduction of the highly skilled labor force. So the answer of our eighth question is D. Now let's go to our ninth question. The triple burden of a nutrition crisis involves the following except. So these are the options: undernutrients, poor variety of food, obesity, micronutrient deficiencies. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, the world is facing a nutrient crisis, a triple burden of undernutrition, overweight and obesity, and micronutrition deficiency. So the answer of our ninth question is B. Now the 10th question is does education is the main thematic focus of ESD? So these are the options: climate change, nutrition, work conditions, capitalization. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, climate change education is the main thematic focus of ESD. So the answer of our 10th question is A. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.